Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to revise to the last chapter, use of distributive and reciprocal pronouns. A distributive pronoun is one which refers to the individual members. In previous class I have told you that when we have going through the chapter, that time I have told you that in distributive pronoun is one which refers to the individual members of a class, one at a time. The most important thing is one at a time. This is very important part. Now, some commonly used distributive pronouns are each, of, either of, neither of, any of, none of, some of. Look at the following sentences. Each of the girls own a prize. Each took it in turn. Neither of the statements is true. See the words each of, each took, neither, none, either, either. These are all reciprocal or distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns. Now here see each, either, neither show the pronouns or things are taken singly or in separate groups. They are always singular and are therefore followed by the verb in the singular. Now here points to remember. Each is used to denote every one of the member of the persons or things taken singly. So when we are using each when we are taking the person or the things, when we are taking the number every one of the single members. Either means one of the other of two. If two of them are there or two things are there, that time you are taking either. Neither means not the one nor the other of two. It is the negative of either. Neither means it is not the one nor the two. It is negative of the either or positive of either. Either and neither should be used only in speaking of two persons or things. When more than two are spoken of, any, no one, none should be used. Here distributive pronouns become distributive adjectives when they are used with a noun. Look at the following sentences. Each girl own a prize. Either way will solve your problem. Neither boy came for my help. Any man can solve this problem. Some people came forward to help the refugees. But here you see, here each, either, neither, any, and some are working as distributive adjectives because they are used with nouns girl, way, boy, man, and people respectively. Reciprocal pronouns are those pronouns which denote mutual action. Some things we are doing mutual action. Look at the following sentences. The two men are annoyed with each other. The two men are annoyed with each other. They help one another. We analyze them. They mean the two men are annoyed. Each annoys the other. They helped. One helped another. These are the means when the conversation is taking place between the two. That time we are using or the or the mutual action is taking. This annoying, see, annoying, annoyed, annoys. These are the mutual action. That time we are using that, or we can say there is reciprocal pronouns. Each and one really belong to the subject. Other and another are objects, but each other and one another have become in practice compound pronouns called reciprocal pronouns and are rarely separated even by a preposition. And rarely means which cannot be separated by a preposition. In some cases we can do that one. Look at the following sentences. The two brothers played with each other. The two sisters greeted each other. The three friends chased each other. They all gave wishes to one another. The people started dancing with one another. Points to remember. Both one another and each other can be used for two or more persons or things. But one another is usually preferred when they are more than two persons or things. Understand? See the example. Here, dash of the five boys are punished means more than two. What you have to do? It is distributive or reciprocal. Fill the blanks with suitable pronouns. Dash of the boys was punished. So that time you have to use. Here, punish is also there. Means what are the mutual action? Here, one more thing is distributive. So think what you have to do. Dash of the five boys. Dash of the two watchmen told the truth. I did not buy dash of these two bags. Dash of the two paintings was good. Dash of the two girls won the prize. The two brothers love. The boys started fighting with. Yeah, this one you can do easily. It is very easy to do. Don't worry. You just practice these things. How much you'll practice, that much you can know. So you have to practice more and more. Understand? So practice it. Here you see, choose the more appropriate distributive and reciprocal pronouns from those given in the brackets. Dash of the boys is dear to the teacher. Each one of the boys is dear to each other. Both candidates are good. You can take either of them. Dash of the two soldiers ran away from the field. Two, that means each either or neither you can use. My friends help each other in their studies. So like this you have to do these things. Okay, this is very easy. So just try it. If you don't do, or if you face problem regarding these questions, just ask me, because you have only one day, only 2 days there to you solve your problems. Tomorrow you have, day after tomorrow you have, from 5 you have got exam. So before that you have to complete it. Okay, so thank you very much.